friends, welcome to Power Electronics lecture series. Today we will see the information related to the SCR mounting. In this session we will see the various types of SCR mountings such as lead mounting, bolt mounting, strub mounting and pressure fit mounting. Let us see what is meant by SCR mounting. Let us start with today's session, that is thyristor mounting techniques. Okay, first we will see why we are going for the different mounting techniques. Okay, what is meant by thyristor? Thyristor is nothing but a SCR, that is silicon controlled rectifier. In SCR, when it is forward biased, okay, what happens in forward bias? The anode is connected to the positive terminal of battery and cathode is connected to negative terminal of battery, and anode current starts flowing. If this anode current exceeds the given rated value of the current, then the SCR extra heating will possible, and due to this our SCR may get damaged. So in order to protect our SCR from this extra heating, we have to mount the SCR with proper mounting techniques. So for this reason we are going for the different mounting techniques of thyristor. Now as mentioned, there are 4 different types of mounting techniques: lead mounting, stud mounting, bolt down mounting and pressure fit mounting. Let us see one by one what are its different types. Now first one is lead mounting. The figure shows the front view and top view of our SCR. Now in lead mounting, only the leads are connected to our SCR, and this type of mounting is suitable for the small amount of current. Okay, so this type of mounting is suitable for small currents up to 1 ampere. Now based on what is the amount of current across our SCR, these types are divided. So whenever our anode current is having very small value, we are going for the lead mounting technique. Okay, in this type of mounting there are no heat sinks are provided, okay, or any additional cooling method is provided. So such SCRs don't require any cooling method or heat sinks. Why we don't require the cooling method or heat sinks? Because the anode current has very small value, so only leads are provided. The SCR has 3 leads: cathode, anode and gate, and these leads are fitted in this top view section. So in this diagram there is no heat sink is given, so no need of heat sinks for small amount of current, and the whatever maybe the extra heat is produced, it may be radiated or dissipated in the air. So in this type of SCR, the extra heat is dissipated or radiated in the air. So this is one type of mounting technique. Let us see the second type of mounting technique. Okay, so here I am having 2 different figures for stud mounting. This is what 3D view of stud mounting. Here we are having this type of mounting is used for the medium type of anode current. Okay, lead mounting is used for small amount of anode current, while stud mounting is used for, it is suitable for small and medium anode currents. Okay. Figure shows the 3D view of stud mounting, where these two are nothing but the molybdenum plates of SCR. Okay, this is a broad view of this. these two plates are connected across the SCR. Okay, so it has two molybdenum plates across SCR. Okay, and this SCR, so in this figure, this is our SCR and these two plates are connected here. Okay, and it is connected to the aluminum disc, and this, or it is called as aluminum stud, and then it is connected to the heat sink. Okay, this is what anode, this is our aluminum disc, and the SCR is connected to heat sink with the help of this aluminum stud. It is nothing but a aluminum stud. The SCR is connected to heat sink with aluminum stud. Okay, now this stud is connected with anode with some nut. It is connected to actual anode with nut. This is what nut is shown. First, the SCR is surrounded by two plates, molybdenum plates. Then it is connected to the aluminum disc. This is what aluminum disc, and this aluminum stud is connected with the heat sinks. Means whenever the extra heat is produced, that extra heat is absorbed by the heat sink, so that the SCR does not get damaged. And this heat sink is connected to actual anode rod with the help of nut. Okay, so stud mounting is used for small and medium amount of current, and here heat sinks are provided. Okay, so suppose the anode current is again increased beyond some limit, so the heat sink is replaced with the help of with another type of cooling system that is called as washer. So instead of heat sink, we use washer as a cooling mechanism here, as a cooling mechanism for SCR. And this thread or stud are used for making mechanical, electrical and thermal contact with the heat sink. So this is all about the stud mounting. Let us see what is meant by bolt mounting. This is the figure of bolt mounting. In bolt mounting, if we have flanks or tabs and contain one or more holes. Okay, as seen in the figure, this bolt mounting we use flanks or tabs, and which contain one or more hole. Okay, this is hole, this is our SCR. The SCR is connected to the heat sink. Okay, the SCR has three terminal, cathode, anode and gate, and this SCR is connected to the heat sink, and the heat sink and SCR are joined by one bolt. Heat sinks and SCR are joined by bolt here. The mica or fiber isolation is provided between the heat sink and SCR, between the heat sink and SCR. Okay, in between this heat sink and this SCR, some isolation is provided. The isolation is made up of either mica material or fiber type of material, and this type of mounting is used in small and medium rating of SCR. It is used in small and medium current rating of SCR. So these are what 3 different types of thyristor mounting technique. Let us see the last type of mounting technique, that is pressure fit mounting. This is figure of pressure fit mounting. It is quite similar to the stud. It is quite similar to the stud mounting. Only the hole provided at the top of this mounting is quite small rather than the stud mounting. Okay. In this, why the name is called as pressure fit? Because the SCR is fitted into undersized hole in the heat sink with external force. Okay. In this mounting, the SCR is inserted into the hole which is what? Undersized, means small size, in heat sink. Here in heat sink we are having one hole. As we are having one hole in the heat sink, and we have to insert the SCR into that hole with some external force. Okay. Now after this type of mounting is suitable for the large current ratings. In previous mounting techniques, the techniques are used for the small current ratings. Now press fit mounting is used for the large current rating of anode. And this type of mounting has one more advantage over the stud mounting, that it has lower thermal drop to the heat exchanger of the stud mounting technique. So in today's session we have seen various type of mounting techniques such as lead mounting, stud mounting, bolt mounting and pressure fit mounting. While first one is for small current rating, second and third one is used for the medium current ratings, and press fit heat mounting, that is last type of mounting technique, is used for the large current ratings. And thank you for today's session. If you are having any queries, then feel free to ask in comment box so that I can clarify in upcoming videos. Thank you.